And it exploded again, another big ass fireball. Jesus Christ. I don't know if you can hear the boom. Oh wow. There must have been another tanker car going up. There's chunks. Got that one on video. The huge mushroom cloud. Jesus. Again. It's probably dimmed. It's a good mile up in the air. Oh, now I'm getting a phone call. I got that one on video. It was a little... I did. It was a little bit quiet or smaller than the first one, but God, I hope yeah, I got it. I got everything. God, I hope Mike's not down there, or Larry Schultze. Anyway.